pursuing BSc Agriculture from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences. Now, I would like to invite Honorable Advisor CEO Sir, Honorable Chief Guest Sir, and Pro-President and Dean of Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences for the Pajara. Give a big round of applause, please.
Today's guest of honor, Dr. Ramesh Mittal, Director, CCS NIAM, a Government of India Institute, dear faculty members and my dear students. It is a matter of great pleasure that today FAD, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences, is celebrating World Food Day. On this occasion, I welcome first of all our Honorable Advisor and CEO Sir. I also welcome today's guest of honor, Dr. Ramesh Mittal, Director, CCS NIAM, and welcome all others who are present here. Today's World Food Day theme is Our Actions, Our Future. Better production, better nutrition, a better environment, and a better life. I personally myself remember the scenario of food in India 2 decades back, 20 years before, when the organic food was a dream and there were even not many milk processors. That flour was also a dream and there were not many packaged food. Now there is a long list of processed food. Food convenience, convenient food, fresh cuts, ready-to-eat foods, as well as there is abundance of natural, organic and local food. It was a long journey and the nation has come far. Really, we have come far as far as food scenario is concerned. The production has increased many folds and the currently focus is on nutritive and wholesome food. Due to producers and consumers' inclination towards herbal as well as organic, and along with the initiatives of government for processed food, has led the nation in a better position as far as food is concerned. And guys, the journey is on. Truly speaking, it's all our actions.
Good morning all of you.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, I just want to say thanks to the Chancellor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Vice Chancellor, Pro-Vice Chancellor and the CEO and Advisor of the Jyoti Vidyapeeth. Jyoti Vidyapeeth is dedicatedly working for the woman empowerment. This is very, very important. And I take this opportunity to celebrate this World Food Day with Jyoti Vidyapeeth today itself. So thank you for this opportunity, for inviting me on this occasion. Food is a very basic thing, as we people are all aware. If you look at the Maslow theory, Maslow is a very known person who has written a lot of books on consumer behavior, human need around the world. No one who has just passed management can say he has not gone through with the Maslow theory. Maslow theory, first step of the Maslow theory says, what is the need for human? That is roti, kapda and makan. And if you look at this hierarchy, roti comes first, then kapda and then makan. So you can see the importance and significance of food. Until unless we don't have food, I'm not talking about the good food. Say thanks to the authorities of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, includes CEOs, Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Pro Vice Chancellor, all the faculty members, even students also, they are celebrating. Only few understand the significance of this World Food Day, and you have observed and you are celebrating. So all credit goes to the team of this Jyoti Vidyapeeth. Now when we are talking about the food, I remember when I was pretty young, like you people are very energetic. I just started my career in 1986. After working 2-3 years in this country, I got the opportunity to visit USA on H-1B visa. I went over there in 1990. I stayed over there for 6 years, 90 to 96. I think I was the first person from India who has been selected on marketing as a H-1B professional. And that time India was not offering this H-1B visa from India itself. So the company that was involved in this all agriculture produce, they have invited me initially in New York, Manhattan, and after that they asked me to take H-1B visa from Mexico. And I stayed 6 months in Mexico. And I took my H-1B visa from Mexico and again settled in USA. In 96 I came back. Then I got the opportunity to work with many institutions. Right now I'm working with the National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, which is a part of Government of India Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, and known as a Center for Excellence not only in India, even in Southeast Asia. Now there is a one similarity for this World Food Day as well as my organization. My organization is 33-year-old and it was set up with the recommendation of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. They have submitted one report to the Government of India and they have asked, you need to have one organization which can address your confidence. And same thing is, here wherever I go, I usually ask to the, because everywhere when I talk to the student, they are my student. It is not like you are studying in Jyoti Vidyapeeth or somewhere. Wherever I go, I feel they are my students basically. And that is why I talk to in this manner. So the World Food Day, basically, what is the challenges? We have to think about it. And we have to think why this was observed as a World Food Day. What is the purpose? And why we should continue this thing? Is there any reason, any purpose? Let me tell you. I'll tell you some quick stories, small stories, you can understand what is the significance of this food. As I told you, I visited USA in 1990. When I reached over there, one of my friends from the National Panasonic, that was the name, and they just asked how many features has been used by the buyer. There was a survey. Panasonic का VCR है. सबने देखा बड़ी-बड़ी कैसेट्स लगती थी. I don't know if people remember or not, but आपके फादर मदर जरूर जानते हैं. तो जब क्वेश्चनर आया तो पता लगा कि 99% जो यूजर है, कस्टमर है, वो केवल फास्ट फॉरवर्ड और रिमाइंड करना जानते हैं और कुछ नहीं जानते. और उसमें फीचर थे more than 200, and that is why it was expensive. So one company has decided to introduce the very low price VCR, which has only fast forward, and the company name was Akai, and they have introduced I think 2000 or 3000 something like that, and they hit the market. तो देखिए यहाँ भी पता चला कि हम बहुत सारी चीजें बनाते हैं बट लोग उसे यूज नहीं करते. I'm telling you point of view of the customer. I told you each and every agriculture produce has to be consumed.
मैंने अपनी जो डिशेस को टैगलाइन दी है रस से भरी रसमलाई. इट इज अ स्वीट बंगाली डिश. रस मीन्स जूस and malai is it's like a cream. It is prepared through milk. It is high protein, high calcium and high magnesium dish. We get proper nutrient value from this. It is prepared from milk. Firstly, milk through milk prepared with rabdi. In this we use saffron. Saffron is chickpea flour.
it is very easy to digest and it is very tastier to eat, and it is basically originated in Gujarat, and in which
बेनिफिशियल है, बाकी जो फ्राइड बोल्स है वो क्यों नहीं है?
सर एक्चुअली फ्राइड जो बॉल्स होती है वो कंटेन डीप फ्राइड होती है इन ऑयल विच इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर आवर हेल्थ, and cholesterol level is also increases from oil, and steam balls are steamed with in water, which
Good.
is
Nice answer. And nowadays, that's what we need here in India. What we see most of the time, we're doing lot of karkara, frying, deep frying. We have to switch over to the nutritious steamed food. That's why this theme was chosen today. And whenever we meet someone, you just tell about the benefits of steamed food.
So these are almost oil-free recipes they have cooked. Students of mathematics. Most of them are steamed or partially steamed. So one by one, you explain how did you make that? What's the specialty? Why should this be consumed? We'll start from here. Yes. बता दीजिए आप कोई बात क्या बनाया है?
sir, we have pulao, in which we have used the vegetables, soyabean, little amount of olive oil, and coriander, and we have steamed the rice. स्टीम पोहा मैंने बनाया, पहले सबसे पहले पोहा को सॉफ्ट किया, फिर उसके बाद ओनियंस, कोरिएंडर, पीनट्स वगैरह सब ऐड, नमकीन वगैरह ऐड।
तो इसकी क्या खाते हो? पोहा तो अभी भी बनता है, आप इनकी वो बताइए
स्टीम
इनकी
पोहा।
हाँ इनका बेनिफिट्स क्या है, हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट? पोहा तो अभी भी बनता है, हर तरह से पोहा बनता है, ये पोहा किस तरह से डिफरेंट है? ऑयल लेस पोहा है, बिल्कुल भी ऑयल आपने यूज नहीं किया है, क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम उसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल डाल के उसको फ्राई करते हैं बॉईल करने के बाद। टेस्ट कराइए सर। Then he will tell either it is really steamed or you have done some mischievous act of adding some oil, hiding from everybody.
My name is Archita Katiyar, and I am pursuing BSc FS3 second year. And this dish name is Sehatmand Chatpati Chaat, and made from boiled vegetables and fruits like boiled vegetables, carrot, capsicum and chana.
Pumpkin also used, and pineapple,
And no oil in that at all.
Yes, sir.
What about the spices? Did you use some salt or something?
black pepper or black salt.
Black salt.
And also it is curd also used.
Curd also used.
Yes, sir. For taste.
Sir, for a creamy mixture.
Creamy mixture. In spite of all those type of dressings and mayonnaise and all that, you use your own curd, which is very good.
Sir,
Yeah.
in topping we add herbs for taste enhancing.
What type of herb?
Sir, oreganos.
Oregano. You know oregano, that's good. Because many people doesn't, they don't know oreganos, that type of herbs.
Used vegetables and fruits, which is oil free and fat.
Ma'am, it is easily digestible.
Taste कराइए।
है आपने क्या नाम दिया?
क्या प्लेट्स करना
ये आपने उसको भिगो के और
Boiling करके chop करके boiling करके then we add the curd.
बना दिया? ले आओ आपने?
And
ऑयल तो नहीं है?
black pepper and
ठीक है।
oregano.
आप भी आ जाइए।
ये अभी ला के रखा है ना आपने? ये क्या है?
मैम ये मल्टीग्रेन हेल्थ टर्नर है, ये मल्टीग्रेन से बनाया है हमने स्टीम करके। इसके अंदर वेजिटेबल्स भी सारे हैं और
अच्छा।
ऑलमोस्ट ग्रेन्स भी है सर। और ये मैम अगर हेल्दी कंडीशन में अगर हमें खाना है तो ये मसाला पापड़ और छाछ के साथ खा सकते हैं। अभी जनरली हम ऐसी सारी डिजीजेस होती है जिससे हम सफ़र करते हैं, जैसे खून की कमी हो जाती है, जॉइंट्स पेन है, डायबिटीज़ है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, ब्लड प्रेशर है, किसी को भूख नहीं लगती, ये सब चीज़ों के लिए हमने ये जो रेसिपी बनाई है ना, हाँ मल्टीग्रेन यूज़ किया है। अब ये मल्टीग्रेन है तो इसके
इस
साथ
रेसिपी को आपने
हमने
कहीं पे नोट करा है?
यस मैम,
जैसे जो भी आपने आइटम बनाए हैं
यस
वो कहीं पे
मैम,
आपने
यस
नोट करा
मैम,
है?
ये डिजिटली कोलाज मैंने सेंड
तो
किया
आप
है।
भी रख लें।
हाँ वो कर रहे हैं।